Hi friends, welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen, and if you're new here, my name is Jen, and today we are going to make teriyaki salmon bowl. It is very easy to make, but it is full of flavors, and I made the teriyaki sauce and also spicy mayo. The combination of the two perfect together with the salmon. I cut the salmon into cubes and I slightly dredge them onto cornstarch just to give it a little crispiness. And then I serve it in a bowl of rice and also cut some cucumbers just to add some freshness. It's very refreshing when you have those slices of cucumbers. You can also slice some radishes. Those are very refreshing too. And then some sesame seeds just to add a little bit of that nuttiness flavor. So let's go ahead and start making this teriyaki salmon bowl. The first step is removing the skin of the salmon and then cutting them into about an inch size cubed, and then seasoning them with salt and pepper. Now you can use tongs or the best tool that you have, your hands, to toss them and coat them evenly. And now we're going to slightly dredge them on the cornstarch just to give them crispiness when we fry them. And then you're going to make the teriyaki sauce. Combine all the ingredients in a measuring cup or any cup that you have, and then you're also going to add slurry to the sauce. The slurry is the thickening agent. Now to make the slurry, you just mix cornstarch and flour and make sure that you mix it well until the cornstarch is dissolved. Now in a saucepan over medium-high heat, you will add the sauce, and then you will constantly stir it until it thickens. And then make sure that you set the sauce aside and cool it completely. And then now we're gonna heat the pan with oil and we're ready to cook our salmon. Cook them until they're golden brown. And now we're going to make the spicy mayo. It's just mayonnaise and sriracha and a little bit of salt. Now I'd like to put my spicy mayo and my teriyaki sauce in a piping bag so it's easier for me to drizzle them on top of the salmon. Okay, my friends, I hope you give this teriyaki bowl a try and let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And if you need more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.